beautiful Bellas? It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with something really quickly, and I just wanted to give you the details and my final thoughts on what I did today. I am using clip-ins, curly clip-ins from CurlsCurls. You guys know I have worn their wigs, their clips. They are the bomb. I wanted to do something a little bit different this time. So this time I got their Kinky curly clip-ins, which are like their 3C, 4A type of curls. And I also wanted to try a different installation. So I created a wig using a crochet cap from these clip-ins. The reason why I did it this way is because I'm always layering my hair. I'm always cutting it. I just did like really slight layering. But the problem is when you use clip-ins and then you do that, if you're someone who likes to shape your hair, you go ahead and shape, it looks great, but then when you take out the clips, you have to remember exactly how you laid your hair the first time in order to reapply and it have that same look. Well, with this, you don't have to do it. You just utilize the same technique that I am going to show you, and voila, you have the same effect every single time, and it takes much less time than creating a wig using wefts. Oh my gosh. And the beauty about using curly hair like this is it looks very natural. If you can see right there, you can see the band of the crochet cap. You'll see the way that I use the clips. When you want hair to go back, you just turn the clip as far as direction goes, and I'm going to show you that as well. But this is a very productive way to get the most out of your clip-ins when you are like me and you want it to be shaped a certain way. These are very high quality clips, so you don't want to just wear these one time. I don't want to do that. This hair is very high quality. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on and tell you the benefits of doing it this way. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. If you want to know, stay tuned for that. So big shout out to CurlsCurls. Yeah, just stay tuned. Check it out.
Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face, yeah. Every single day just stays the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world and